Writing can be tough, but AI is changing the game. It helps you turn ideas into first drafts in just minutes. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can now generate content quickly. Let us look at the 4 best tools for beginners. We will cover Rytr, GravityWrite, Koala AI, and Simplified. Each one has unique strengths for different needs. First up is Rytr. It is known as the unlimited volume king because of its affordable plans for heavy writers. If you need to create a lot of content without spending much, Rytr is a great choice for beginners. The interface is very simple. You just pick a use case, like a blog section or email, and set the tone. Rytr has a free plan to get you started. Their unlimited plan starts at just $7.50 per month. Next is GravityWrite. This tool is perfect for those who want a specialized tool for every specific writing task. With over 250 tools, it can handle everything from YouTube scripts to SEO meta descriptions and Facebook ads. It features a human-like blog writer and a text humanizer to help your content feel more personal and natural. The Plus plan is just $8 a month. It includes up to 15 blogs and even AI video credits. Third on our list is Koala AI. This is the top choice if your main goal is to rank high on Google search results. Koala scans the live internet to find what is already ranking. Then, it uses that data to write high-quality, factual articles. Even on the cheapest plan, you get access to the world's smartest AI models, like GPT 5.2 and Claude 4.5 Sonnet. It uses real-time internet access. This ensures your articles are backed by the most up-to-date facts and research. The Essentials plan starts at $7 per month. It includes 180,000 words per year and powerful SEO tools. Finally, we have Simplified. It is more than just a writer. It is a full marketing command center for your business. Simplified replaces several apps. It includes a writer, a design tool for images, and social media scheduling. You can manage up to 7 social media channels from one place. This makes it perfect for busy social media managers. The Pro plan starts at $19 a month. While it is the highest starting price, it replaces many other paid tools. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your specific goals and your monthly budget. Choose Rytr for the most content at a low price. Pick GravityWrite if you want a massive variety of specialized tools. Go with Koala AI for the best SEO results. Choose Simplified if you want to manage all your marketing in one spot. No matter which tool you use, it is important to humanize your content. This helps build trust with your readers. Start by mixing your sentence lengths. Add personal stories and use common contractions to make the tone feel more natural. Always check your facts and edit the tone to match your brand. AI is a great assistant, but your human touch makes it perfect. Price, limits, and features may change. Always check the official websites for latest plan details. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.